Alright, listen up. You want to sell a call option on Robinhood? Let's cut the crap and get to it. Step number 1. Get approved, dummy. Robinhood needs to let you trade options. Go to your account, find Options Trading, and apply. They'll ask some questions. Answer them honestly and hope they say yes. If not, figure out why and fix it. Step number 2. Find your stock champ. Pick a stock you think won't skyrocket. If you think it's gonna explode, don't sell a call. Use the search bar, type in the ticker, and get to the stocks page. Step number 3. Hit Trade Options, no excuses. On the stocks page, find the Trade Options button. Click it. You'll see a bunch of numbers and dates. Don't freak out. Step number 4. Pick your expiration and strike, hustler. You'll see expiration dates. Pick one. Shorter time frames mean faster premium, but more risk. Then pick a strike price. This is the price you're betting the stock won't hit. If you think it won't go above $50, pick a $50 or higher strike. Step number 5. Sell the call, no hesitation. You'll see sell and buy. Click sell. Make sure it says call. Enter the number of contracts you want to sell. One contract equals 100 shares. Robinhood will show you the premium you'll get. Review it. If you're good, hit Review Order and then Submit. Step number 6. Collect your premium and watch. You just got paid. Now watch the stock. If it stays below your strike, you keep the premium. If it goes above, you might have to sell your shares at the strike price. Don't get greedy. Take small wins. Consistent small wins beat big losses every single time. If you're new, sell options on stocks you're comfortable with, and don't go crazy with the number of contracts. Start small, learn, and then scale.